Welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the hose on a Karcher K4 pressure washer. This is an easy upgrade that anyone can carry out, and it will make a big difference to the usability of your machine. It will also make your K4 easier to pack away and store after use. In my opinion, the Karcher K4 is a very good pressure washer. I've had mine for 6 months now and I've been very pleased with it. It's done a brilliant job cleaning the driveway, cleaning the patio, unblocking a drain and cleaning cars. But there's one feature of the K4 which has become increasingly annoying. For some reason, probably cost, Karcher decided to supply the K4 with a hose made from a stiff plastic which is really inflexible and it's awful to use. You can see here how it doesn't uncoil properly. It kinks and gets tangled up when you're using it, and trying to coil it up neatly after you've used it is an absolute nightmare. So for the sake of my sanity, the hose had to go. After looking at alternative hoses, I decided to go with this. This is a 10-metre braided rubber hose from Direct Hoses. This hose is rated up to 230 bar, which is 100 bar more than the maximum pressure of the K4. There are, of course, other suppliers and other hoses out there, so do your research. The main thing that you're looking for, though, is the connector. Some older Karchers have different connectors, but the current K4, this is a 2021 model, has quick fit connectors like this. And you'll need a quick fit connector on each end of the hose. To remove the old hose, press the yellow button on the handle of the control unit and just pull it out. The other end of the hose fits into this metal fitting at the back of the machine. It's held in place by this clip, which you just slide out, and then you can pull the hose out. You can then lift away the old hose and replace it with the new one. To do this, just reverse the procedure, so you clip the quick fit connector up into the back of the machine and replace the clip that holds it in place, and then give it a good tug to make sure it's secure. With the other end of the hose, press down the yellow button on the control handle and push the quick fit connector into place until it clicks. And once again, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. You can then hang the rest of the hose on the back of the machine. Make sure that you run water through the K4 before you actually turn it on, otherwise you could damage your pump. You can see here that water drains out of the machine when you change the hose, and it's important not to run your pump when it's dry. To do this, connect your water supply to the front of the machine. Make sure that the pump is turned off at the switch and turn on the water supply at the tap. You can then run water through the lance to expel any air that's in the system. Once you've done this, you're ready to go. So, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. We'll see you soon.